Hello everyone who is out there and who will catch the replay of this video. This is Lizzabitty, and today we have a special guest with us. I will allow him to introduce himself and tell you where we are and what they do at this particular place. Please begin.
Thank you. I am Andrew Nyamfo. This place is Ghana Atomic Energy Commission, and precisely we are at Ndt Laboratory. Mr. Makuni, can you help me? What do we do here?
Okay, thank you. What I can say shortly is this is the Ndt Laboratory. In this Ndt Laboratory, what we do is we test materials or components without destroying them. The name Ndt itself tells everything. We test components without destroying them. Pipelines and so many things. Actually, our main decision is testing of welds to see if we can find defects in the welding, and then ask the company involved or the company doing the welding work to do their repairs. We can test materials with the methods of radiography, industrial radiography. We have liquid penetrant testing. We can do magnetic particle inspection, as well as liquid penetrant.
Oh,
so we have 4 methods that we do. So we do for many companies, big companies in Ghana here, Tema Oil Refinery, almost all the, let me say, the mining companies in Ghana, we work for them. So basically that's what we do.
can you give us an idea as to how long, you said you do 4 types, the length of time of each process? How long does it normally take, let's say, for each 4?
How long does it take for
The testing
it
in the
depends.
4th category, okay?
Yeah, it depends. For radiography, we have to use a radiographic machine. It takes time for you to do your setup, and then you have exposure time, let's say maybe 40 minutes, depending on the thickness of the material. The material is a lighter material. Some of them take about 2 minutes for exposure, but the other ones, once they are manual, the process is almost manual. The timing will depend on the speed of the operator.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And would you like to introduce yourself, please?
I'm Alexander Coleman. I'm the head of mechanical workshop in Ghana Atomic Energy Commission.
Now, what do you specifically do in your workshop?
Yeah, normally we fabricate, and then normally we fabricate underground tanks, underground and surface tanks for fuel storage. We have a lot of clients. We have Goy, Total, Galaxy Oil. They normally come here, access, fabricate, and then weld tanks for them. So that's what we normally do here. Apart from that, we do other work as well. Garage gates, fabrication of garage gates, waste disposal bins. That's what we do. But most of the time, we don't do them ourselves. Normally, we get requests from clients to do all this.
I see. So the client makes the request first and then you initiate.
That's right.
Okay. Now, how long have you worked in your capacity here?
Yeah, normally we have different capacities of tanks.
No, I mean yourself personally. How long have you worked at the workshop?
Okay. I've been here for 11 years now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You an OG.
Yeah, actually, I started here as a research scientist.
Oh my, okay.
Yeah, and from there, I became the head of the mechanical workshop.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will pivot back here and you can tell us as well, how long have you worked in your capacity here?
Well, I've been here for almost 25 years.
Woo, okay. And did you start out as a researcher as well as himself and worked your way up? How did you start?
Yes, we do research works, but we do research works and then we supervise as well. We do some training programs
Okay.
for welding, for welders, qualified welders, for certification.
Okay, I'm going to come back to the welding question momentarily. I'll pivot back over to... So tell us, how long have you worked in your capacity?
Here, I have been here for 6 years.
Oh, so you're the youngest of the bunch. You're the youngest of the bunch.
Yes.
Okay.
I am attached to the university,
Okay.
nuclear engineering department. So I supervise students' project works.
Wow.
So when I come here, the practical work is normally done here.
Okay.
And then I do the work with them.
Okay. Okay. So we go from theory to actually hands-on.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go back here because he talked about, just briefly, can you go in depth about the welding program?
Okay, we currently have a welding bay and for several welding bays, and then we trying to put ourselves into training programs for welders. It's very practically. We do fabrications as well. So as he said, whenever he brings any project, we try to do the fabrications in the welding bay and then come out with the product.
How many students would you say you have in the welding program now?
Come again.
How many students or persons that are actually working in the welding program now?
We actually, we've not yet started.
Okay.
We just build it, we just build a station. But we have not actually started the training programs.
Okay. Do you have a anticipated or estimated date of starting?
Yes, we have done it, but management-wise, they have to bring in some requests and accept
Okay.
whatever
So
comes.
they need to get entry into the program is what you're saying. Okay. Is it hard to get in? I mean, could a little old person like myself get in? What do I need to qualify to get into the program? What do I need to get into the program? Can you tell me that?
The program is, when you come in,
I only
for a
asked.
training program,
Yes.
we have to go to the management, get them informed,
Okay.
and then we come to the bay itself. We have materials for training. We have practical things that can be used.
Okay.
When we get them all,
Okay.
then we can start the training program.
Can I?
But is it a strenuous program for people to get in? Meaning you have so many people that want to come. Maybe it's competitive. Would you say it's competitive, or no?
No, it's not that competitive.
Okay.
Can I come here?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, we have a marketing department.
Okay.
It's their duty to advertise the sort of programs we have here. So
Okay.
currently, we have in conjunction with a company called Foundry. There's a program that they are running for ladies, meaning females, to be trained as welders.
Yay!
Yeah.
I need to come over here and get trained.
So normally what they do is they have two portions of the whole program. We have the classroom section and then we have the practical section.
Yes.
The classroom section is done at the university. We have a university attached to this institution. And then the practical aspect, they come here.
Okay.
The practical. That's where this man here, actually he's the head here, and that's where he comes in to help.
Okay. Okay.
And within our setup, we have different groups of people. We have the research scientists, we have the technologists, we have the technicians, and then the office staff. So I started as a research scientist. He's a technologist.
Okay.
He's a lecturer, but at the same time he helps with
All the
research.
moving parts, if you will.
That's right.
Okay. Okay. So even though you all have different disciplines, the cohesiveness to make the program work.
That's right.
I got it. I got it. I think that I have it. Okay. Any final words before we take a look around?
Yes.
Okay.
The clinical workshop, an old one. Now the government is putting up a new workshop,
Okay.
which will take you there.
Okay.
So this is an old one.
Okay. So this is an old one, but they can still use it for training, yes?
We are going to prepare some of them and then use it for training before you can actually come to the main one.
Okay. Okay.
So this is actually the mechanical workshop. The machines here are to be replaced by the government.
Okay.
Program going on. But if you go to the back of this building, there's a foundry being built. by the
Oh,
government.
okay.
Yeah. And there's a machine shop as well attached to the foundry. So all these machines, but yeah, actually most of them are obsolete.
Okay.
We have to replace some of them.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So most of them were installed in the 60s
Yes.
by the Russians.
Wow.
We are
By the Russians.
just replacing them.
Okay.
Even though some of them are working, we still use.
Yes, because you can still train.
Yeah.
Yes.
use them.
Okay, makes sense.
So that's the welding bay.
Yes, that he was speaking about. Okay.
Yes.
This is stable charger jet engine.
Okay.
It's part of the student project work. This was done in 2019.
Okay.
So it works very well.
Okay.
So basically, this is a jet engine.
A jet engine.
Yes.
Wow.
You give you a video of it.
Okay.
I even sent them to your friend.
Okay. Okay.
She has them.
Great.
So this is one of them.
Okay.
We don't just do welding here. We test machines as well.
Yes.
Yeah, so students come here, we test. If they have any idea, we implement those ideas here. Test machines, do prototypes and so on.
Okay. Okay.
And that's one of the prototypes.
One of them. Yes.
What you see here is a system for steering machine for soap preparation.
Okay.
I don't know whether you might look at what is inside.
Let's see.
For production of soap.
It's a little dark, but okay.
Good.
Okay.
So it's part of the activities that and then this is also another kind of jet engine, just like the other one.
Okay. But a different kind, I guess.
Not really, but we wanted to advance on the old one.
Okay. Okay.
So we are here to improve upon this one.
Okay.
So we do one project work, and then the following year we ask the students to improve upon
Good.
what
That's good.
has already been done.
It challenges them.
Yes.
Yes.
So this year, this was done last year, 2020. This was 2019.
19.
That is 2020. We are here to do the 2020.
21. You still have time.
Yes.
Yes.
Do that.
Okay.
Then what you see here are some of the materials we bought which didn't work,
Okay.
So you don't throw them away. You keep them.
Yes, because you could use them for something else possibly.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right. That's right.
That is it.
That's right.
And then what you see here, we are in the process building a system that can generate electricity. So this is also part of the students' work.
Okay.
It's ongoing. We are yet to finish this.
Wow.
And then we have another system which we want to use for electric car. We have the auto. We're going to connect that one to the gearbox.
Okay.
And see whether you'll be able to use our system to run it, to charge it.
Cool. Yeah.
And that is also part of the student project work.
Okay.
Which is ongoing.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, and then we have some other products that are not here. For
Okay.
example, what we see there is a rectifier,
Yes.
locally built, which we used this to do electrolysis
Okay.
work. We use that one to convert sodium chloride to sodium hydroxide
Okay.
because we had to move from AC to DC.
Yes.
So we needed a rectifier, and this was given as a project work.
Oh.
It was built by a student. We have a kind here. That is also the rectifier.
Okay.
So this our engine runs on a DC.
Is this one built by students as
Yes,
well? Okay.
yes, locally built.
Yes.
Locally built.
Okay.
So we convert
Great.
the AC
To
to DC
DC
to run our engine.
for the current. Yes.
Yes. And so this is what, for now, you can see.
Yes.
And we have also built fuel cell that can produce hydrogen gas from water. That one is not here.
Okay.
It's being used elsewhere.
Okay.
So basically, these are some of the activities.
Some of the activities. Yes. Yes. I'm enjoying this.
Very good.
I am. Yes. Okay.
This institution itself is a research institution. So most of our work here is just research. And that's why we have students here, they bring their ideas, we just try the ideas here, do prototype and so on.
Okay. All right. Well, where are we headed to next?
Alright, this is a liquid nitrogen plant. I don't know whether you know anything about liquid nitrogen.
I know a few things about it. I mean, it's very dangerous, but it can also be used to help clear up skin problems.
That's right.
I've used it personally myself.
Right.
So I will let you tell our audience. Tell us.
We've been operating this machine for almost 20 years now.
Yes.
But almost every year we have to do service.
Okay.
So this is the service we are doing service, but we've run out of replacement parts.
Okay.
We've ordered them from Holland.
Okay.
So we're waiting for the parts. That's why I'm close here.
Okay.
Normally what happens is we have a compressor. The compressor collects air from the atmosphere. And then, because it's a liquid nitrogen plant and the air contains oxygen. And nitrogen, we need to eat nitrogen.
That's right.
When the compressor collects the air, it goes through the system, and then it comes here. This is a pressure swing absorber.
Yes.
Pressure swing absorber. That's where we have the stripping. That's what it means is that the air is stripped of oxygen, leaving the nitrogen.
Yes.
The nitrogen goes into another system.
Okay.
Which we call the cryo generator.
Yes. Yes.
Because we're doing services, we've removed the head of the cryo generator.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
It's just like a car engine. It's got a piston, a cylinder, and a piston. It goes up and down.
Yes.
And then with the help of helium gas, we have a helium gas here. It goes into the system to displace the nitrogen gas. In the process, it is compressed. That's where we do, it does the liquefaction inside here.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the process, the nitrogen gas is compressed into the liquid form at a temperature of a negative 196 degrees Celsius.
Listen, most people think that helium is just for balloons or making funny voices, you know? So,
liquid nitrogen, the temperature of the liquid nitrogen is in a negative 196, so we don't mess with it.
that's right.
You drop a hand in instantly, all the cells will die.
Yes.
So we don't, that's why people with bombs, extra skin and so on.
Yes.
That's what they normally use to remove those extra skin.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. As I said, I've used it before.
The liquid, after the liquefaction, it goes through gravity, it goes into the system.
The process, yes.
And
Okay.
it's stored here.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, we use some here and then we sell some to other institutions.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we've
Okay.
been selling to Colombo Teaching Hospital, University of Ghana, we're selling to them, even Luigi Memorial Institute.
Okay.
They used to buy from us.
Wow. Okay.
So, but because we are doing servicing now,
You've stopped with the production, yes.
so we're waiting to get the parts and then.
Yes. Okay, well, great. Thank you.
This is the Foundry.
Yes.
I think it is the biggest foundry in Ghana.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, there's one in KUST,
KUST.
by University of Science and Technology.
Okay.
But that's a smaller one.
Smaller one.
Yeah, but this so far the biggest.
And then the one happy thing is that all the equipment had been
Awesome.
Yes,
So
yes.
you'll be able to start once the construction is completed. Yeah.
Yes. All the
You're starting
machines are-
immediately.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's great.
Everything is ready.
This is going to be huge.
The structure.
Wow.
The molding center will be at the back.
Okay. Oh, like you, yes.
Good then you see.
Wow.
So the cranes and other machines to carry material.
Well, I see you have the beams here, and here, and here.
Yeah.
It's a very big thing.
Yes.
Very, very big.
And then they can go from the foundry to the workshop once the workshop is finished.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then there is going to be another structure for canteen.
Okay. Oh.
It's going to be a whole institution. You have everything here.
Well, you have time. You only been here 11 years. You have 14 more to catch up with our brother.
Yes.
So you have plenty of time, and you have a long way to go.
Yes,
I am
a
so
long,
sorry.
very long
He has a long way.
He used to lecture at the university.
He said that, but I mean here.
Yeah.
He still has a long way to go. He is much more longer than you.
So this is the pattern shop that you were talking about.
Okay.
Yeah. So next week they are coming back.
Okay.
They are coming back. We had a meeting last week. Now everything is set. We
Okay.
are going to come. Would you like to see what is happening over there?
At the workshop?
Yes.
Sure, we can walk there.
Okay, fine.
I'm fine.
Good. So this session.
Offices, yes. Yes.
That's what is happening.
Okay.
We want to industrialize the nation.
of course. I can't wait to see the finished product because I can just tell it's going to be very nice. I mean, you have enough land to really spread out and have, good working area for everything. I mean, even there and back to here. Yeah.
There's another project for the same government. It's at the 18th.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
For e-waste.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Some distance from here.
Okay.
The whole land belongs to this institution.
Gotcha. Okay. Wow.
Yes. So actually, the government is very serious.
Yes. Oh, good. That's good.
Here we are. This is the fabrication workshop.
Yes.
Normally, when we have a first, we buy the materials. But they normally come like this. Straight lines.
The metal sheets.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mine's 4 feet by 6 feet. The thickness is 6 mm.
Yes.
So what you pass it through a roller, and the roller forms 10 cm circular.
Yes.
What's the roller? And then we weld it on this commercial.
Yeah.
Normally, if we are doing something like 45,000 liters, we do circular shells, but 6 of them, we bring them together.
Okay.
And the water.
Okay.
That's what we do.
Okay.
But we have a lot of machines here.
Yeah.
But most of them are obsolete. So the government is in the process of replacing them.
Yes. Okay.
We are still working. We are still working. Say,
Yes.
installed in the 60s.
Yes.
And the process of replacing them. We do all kinds of work here.
Yeah.
All kinds of
This is great.
Any job that these have some brainy guys. These guys are very, very intelligent. You don't just tell them what you want. And you
Can make it.
everything on the way in.
Yes.
And then do it for you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. The creativity about it.
That's
Yeah.
right.
That's right. Okay. Wow. Yes.
Africa, you are my pride. Mama Africa, this is your time. No matter